All right, time for some Tuesday birthdays in the 4 states, and we begin in Girard with Abby Brokob, celebrating birthday number 4, and of course, Abby is the one on the right side of the picture.
All right, and Aubrey Smithson is celebrating birthday number 4 today as well. She is in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Aubrey.
Also celebrating birthday number 4 is Bella up in Fort Scott. And it says happy birthday from Pappy and Gigi.
Aw, happy birthday wishes coming from Mom and Dad going out to Riot Jackson Benjamin, who's now 10 years old in Galena. Happy birthday, Riot.
And Joseph Powell celebrating birthday number 12 in Girard. Happy birthday, Joseph.
In Fort Scott, Leighton Johnson turning 14 years old this year. Happy birthday, Leighton.
And it's a birthday love from Mom, Dad, and Sister for Grace Reno, celebrating birthday number 15 in Webb City. Happy birthday, Grace.
Jaden Clounch celebrating Sweet 16 this year. What a pretty dress there for Jaden in Chanute, Kansas.
And LeBraden Clemens celebrating birthday number 18 in Arma with love from Dad and the family.
All right, Aaron Walker turning 33 years old this year in Columbus.
And Aaron's twin, Ashley Snyder, also celebrating number 33 over in Mound Valley.
All right, happy birthday to Aaron and Ashley. And happy birthday to Brian Phillips, who's now 39 years old. Looking great there, Brian, in Pittsburgh.
And in Scammon, we've got Amy Higgins celebrating a birthday. Amy works at Medical Lodges in Columbus. Says happy birthday from Pam and all of the family.
All right, out in Parsons, Maggie Nance, loving mother of 10 children and many, many grand and great-grandkids. We wish you a very, very happy birthday.
And Vi Tuba celebrating number 63 in Jasper. Happy birthday, Vi.
Out in Carl Junction, Ron Craig turning 68 years old. Happy birthday, Ron.
And Felly Sachs celebrating number 75 in Joplin. Happy birthday.
All right, Wayne and Patricia Cosby are celebrating their 64th anniversary. Congratulations to the Cosbys in Oswego, Kansas.
And our list continues with Denise Richards celebrating number 46 in Arma with lots of love from Mom and Dad.
Chuck Turr in Columbus, happy birthday to you.
And Dorothy No in Farlington, Kansas celebrating as well.
Graciela Medina turning 10 years old this year in Pittsburgh.
We want to wish a happy birthday and happy anniversary to everybody on that list. And if you'd like to be part of the morning celebration, Tanya knows exactly what you need to do to be a part of that.
All right, all you have to do is send us an email to that address, birthdayswithans@KOAMnewsnow.com, and make sure you include a picture and their age, where their hometown is, and any special note you may have.
And of course, while you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It's really easy to do, and on top of that, you get some special deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.